How to know if a person is in another call in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll learn about how we can know if that person is in another call. So let's go ahead and look out for how we can do that. So the number one method we can apply is looking for the active status. For that, head over to Instagram, launch your Instagram app and click on the top right corner the message icon. After that, you're going to look up for the active status here. So if the person has their active status on, and you might be able to see their active status on Instagram, this shows whether someone is online or recently active. So if they're online and they might be available for a call or could be in another conversation. So what you're going to do is simply apply for a call. Just try to start a call. Just head over to that person's account and tap on call icon. So if you initiate a video call or a voice call on Instagram, the app will show you if the person is currently on a call. If they are, you will likely get a message like this user is in another call or this person is currently unavailable. So just try hitting that call button and wait for the response to be seen. So what kind of response you will be getting. So while Instagram doesn't have a direct feature to tell if someone is on another call, you can try checking their activity status or sending them a message to cause if they might be busy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And thank you for watching this video.